Right then, so today is the day. This is going to transform this room. Wait until you see it. So we're going to take all this out, yeah? Looking at them tiles, they're just going to plop off out. All this out, we're going to take this boxing in out. We're going to take the covering out, we're going to board the ceilings. This has never been tanked. Let's see how solid this wall is, yeah? We will see how solid that wall is. Beautiful, I love knockout here. And then this one. This one's going to come out. Ceiling again. Freestanding bath here. Fancy units. See all this menagerie? All this is going to be put outside. I'm going to all this waste pipe and all this stack. All the pipe, a lot of work here for me. A lot of work. The plastic fittings 30 years ago. This back's Bosch. The king. You had no tanking back in them days, eh? In fact, I think, to be fair lads, I think this house is 45 years old. The 45-year-old, no damage whatsoever. Shower, there you can see where the shower is. It is what it is, isn't it? Beautiful. So what are you seeing here? This is plasterboard used. It is solid. Look at that. This is in the main shower part. 30 years. Look at that. Tiles are stuck to the board well. Absolutely solid. No sign of any damage. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is explain why you have to tank in new builds. The reason why they tank in new builds is because they are governed by an insurance-backed company. Now this insurance-backed company, they are adding extra policies and extra regulations to them for these home builders, that they have to do this and they have to do that. So in the bathrooms, because the new builds are built that badly, they are forming big cracks. Now they're saying if they form them big cracks in a bathroom, they hope that tanking gonna stop the water going in that crack, you know what I mean? But wherever there's a crack, it needs filling, lads. That's the only way. No good tanking it, because when it splits open, they say this new membrane stuff, they say that's not gonna split. If that wall moves an inch and that membrane's stuck on there, I cannot see the membrane stretching an inch. Sometimes they need new builds in an inch and a half, aren't they? Do you know what I mean? So what you got to think to yourself is why they're doing it, why they're saying that you have to do it. It's not because they're bothered about water damage, they're bothered about the house moving, and then the water damage causing too much damage because there's big cracks in it, which is going to happen. Do you know what I mean? If you look after and maintain your grout lines and your seal lines, you will never have an issue, but it takes time and it takes maintenance. Bish bash bosh. See how well these have stuck on plasterboard? These are facts. I only deal in facts, lads. I don't know how much I have to prove this to you. For the last 4 years, I've shown you day in, day out, every single bathroom I've done. and it's absolutely bone dry. Whether they've even got any, can't even put a bit of adhesive on it. You can't say it was done wrong, it's lasted 30 years. All the walls are solid, even the bottoms are solid. Everything's solid, there's not a millimetre of damage. So no matter what anybody says, if a bathroom is sealed right, you're never going to have a problem. And they're facts, not fiction. So if you look after your bathroom, if you look after the seals and look after the grout, you will never have a problem. Right then, so what we've got here is got a bit of a situation. So when we put that up, it's gone through the wood. So what we do is we never panic. We get the camera out because it's good filming. See what I mean? And you just gotta not panic. Put your finger over it. Rip yourself a new hole. Lads are just getting the gloves on. Right, is there going to be enough to cut that and cap it? You think? It's going to be tight, isn't it? You've turned boiler off, yeah?
Yeah.
And there's no drain?
Can't see one.
Right, you're not going to find one? Don't let it fall off. Wham! Heating's been on. Yeah. Right there. And that is what you do in a time of crisis. When you don't panic, you just get it out and get it done. Now we're going to pop this floor up. And what we're going to have to do is, we'll just dry the ceiling up underneath. There won't be enough water there to have gone down, I don't believe. And if there has, it will dry out. Do you know what I mean? Piece by squash. So you can see the boards go a different way here. So this is one bathroom, yeah? And then here we're going to put another wall up. And this is going to be another bathroom. So this bathroom here, going to have a wet room tray. Now that wet room tray, the waste is going to be here, and we don't want to be drilling through these joists, because as you can see, they've already drilled through the joists quite substantially. But that is within the regulations, because you're allowed to take a quarter, and that's not more than a quarter. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to run my waste down here, and then we're going to come into here. Then we're going to cross and then we're going to go boom, straight out of the hole there. So I'm not having to drill any holes. And just all be known, see when you think positive, lads, it just works out. It just works out. Then there's freestanding bath, we're going to drop waste in there. Going to bring it along, boom. That's going to go out. We're not going to have any waste joined. They're all going to be separate. So now, I think we've done enough today. We've all knocked it all off. Sorted the heating out. I think we'll call it a day. Give it a little spotless. And then maybe clean my shoes and then we're off. Everywhere now, look man. It's isolated. That one's had a load of putty on it, so it's never going to leak that one. But that's the point. It's pointless putting it on. Pointless. I just don't know how to do it. Pointless. You know what I mean, lads? Pointless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them off. I'm just going to Snapchat, cut it off, bish bash bosh, job done. That is all that is good for. My scrap bucket. Do you know what I mean? Bish bash bosh. That's what we like. I like that. I'm quite impressed. So what we're going to do here is, because we're putting the shelving in and we're putting an insert unit, so the unit from the other side is going to be inserted into the wall. So we only can make a wall 100 mil. Just we can't make it any bigger than that because it's going to take too much space. So we're going to take this wall out completely because this is the old 8-box wall, which is only 1 inch thick, so it's no good to man nor beast, this wall really. So I'm going to take it completely out, and then I'm going to rebuild a 4-inch stud. Then what I'm going to do with that 4-inch stud, we're going to make an inlet in the centre. Then we're going to make a frame going along the bottom for the niche for the bath. We're going to put a light in it. Then we're going to have a freestanding bath with a tap coming out of the wall. So there's a lot of work in this wall. I love a lot. But they've got the right man on the job. Do you know what I mean? MJC Kitchen and Bathroom. Don't forget, like, share and follow. And remember, never be a follower, be a leader. Especially to lads on Instagram. I don't know what you're playing at. Now remember, this has been done for about 45 years, I think, these houses. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the customer exactly how long this house has been built. How long this bathroom has been built. And it's never been tanked, you know what I mean? Now, obviously, this has been dotted. My point is, it's not, my point in, it's not how shit has been tiled. It's never been tanked. That is not rotten, and it's never been tanked. And you can see the tiles are beautiful. Do you know what I mean? I only deal in facts at MJC Kitchen and Bathroom. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Big Splash Bosh. Right then, so, like I keep saying, this bathroom has been tanked, yeah? Right, as you can see, the last style did, they didn't believe in using a lot of gear. Do you know what I mean? But all the stuff is got the tiles on. On for 30 years. So no matter what you say, it's still been on for 30 years. Let's have a look. There's the adhesive. So I've actually put some adhesive on there. But you can see the wall is bone dry. That is bone dry. Bottom part of the shower, as you can see on my fingers here, it's bone dry. So that just shows you, because the grout lines are held, the wall is held, it's bone dry, 30 years. Now I'm not trying to tell people how to suck eggs and all that, I only show what I can see. And what I can see is, if it's tiled right, even though these were dotted on, don't mean it wasn't tiled right, it was flat. And it was grouted right because no water got in, no moulds got in, no nothing's got in. Like the same, lads. Do you know what I mean? Remember, lads, never ever panic in a time of need, because in that time of need, if you panic, everything's going to be worse. It is what it is, do you know what I mean? There's nothing you can do about it. The only thing you can do about it is to sort it out. So never ever panic, because it doesn't achieve anything. Just get on with it, do what you have to do, and then sort out the issues which you have caused from that issue. As simple as that. Big Splash Bosh, don't forget to like, share and follow.